Good morning. So today's toilet is Slatey Hut, just off the summit of Mount Slatey, and the view's fabulous, some lovely beech trees and bits and pieces, and the sun's just knocking over the horizon there. So yeah, pretty cool view for the day. Well, it was pretty crap yesterday. We had a bit of snow and sleet. Today's dawned overcast-ish, but we should get some views, which will be great. But it's turning to crap again this afternoon, and tomorrow apparently is pretty bad. So we're just going to do the 8.5 k's to Old Man Hut, and then hole up tomorrow in the bad weather, get everything dried out, I think. And then hopefully the weather improves on Thursday, and then just do a small skip over Mount Rintle to Rintle Hut. So that's the plan for the next day or so. I got away early, just after 7. There was a bit of sun this morning. It's over there. Claire's up ahead. She's just a tiny dot on the side of the hill there. But yeah, the fog's closing in. But at least we've got a dry start to the day. Wet clothes on, but at least they're warm. And we'll be at Old Man probably around lunchtime. And I think the weather's packing in then. So early start, make the most of it before it starts raining. So the sun's trying to peek out there. A bit of a view of the valley and up the top. Down the sides there, but we're just running along the ridge. Nice little track here at the moment. So we're making hay while the sun shines. Pretty packed hut last night, surprisingly enough. A party of 4 came up, so there was 7 of us in the 6-bunk hut, and hopefully this weather stays even so we don't have a big crowd at Old Man tonight. But anyway, it is what it is. I think they intend to go on to Rintle Hut tonight, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, hopefully we'll get to Old Man first and get a choice of bunks. But anyway, we'll just see what happens. It is what it is. That was a grunt. Very steep, pinchy rock climb, so cliffo down that side and cliffo down the other side. Awesome, Claire.
So we're just probably super windy. We're just walking along the ridge line of Old Man Range. You can see right at the top there where we've come down from. And there's Kev. How's it going?
Good, good.
Bitterly cold, so we'll keep on going.
Maybe we're missing the view.
Yeah, the views are a shame.
Pop through the clouds over there.
Yeah.
And stuff. But anyway, it looks like Rintle's ahead in the clouds. So we're not doing that today, but hopefully we can get over there in clear weather and at least we'll see something.
Hopefully you could hear that because it's very windy.
Well, what a day. It's been pretty Clee's just back up the track coming down. It's got pretty sore knees, but what a day it's been. Like, the views up there were good, but not like what they could have been. It's just funny how different days have different rhythms. We've only done from Slatey to Old Man today, so you know, sweet 8.5 k's, but yeah, we're both pretty shattered. You know, we thought it would be a cruisy little thing, but for us there's you know, some pretty thin ridges through there, rock outcrops that for the vertically challenged give you a little bit of a sort of a sphinx to twitch. But anyway, the good news is there's a hut here, and I'm sure a cup of tea and a sit down will make a big difference. That's where we're headed tomorrow. See, no, not tomorrow. We're going to have a rest day here because the weather is atrocious apparently. So we're going to have a rest, and then we'll hook in, and hopefully the winds are not too high for Rintle the next day. But anyway, that's where it's at. So I'll go and make a cuppa, and nice little flat here, good place for a fire. So probably a nice little place to park up for a day and have a bit of a rest. So it's day 13, we're at Old Man Hut, and the weather is like this. It's closed in, windy, rain, cold, so it's obviously a day of just sitting tight today. Not the perfect day to be heading up Rintle, and secondly, Claire has woken up and she can't walk. Basically her knee is really swollen. We've decided to, we're going to call a chopper firm and get them to fly in tomorrow and fly her out, and I'll carry on over Rintle and out to St Arnaud, weather permitting, because I don't think her knee's going to recover. Our options of walking out of here, the shortest is probably 7 to 9 hours out to the Wairau Valley, or back where we've come out to the Hackett, or carry on, and none of those options are really, she's up to that. Like, it's quite red and swollen, so a real bummer. So it's a matter of processing all that.
Unfortunately, we are repacking Kev for the next stint of the trail, because as he may have mentioned, I've injured my knee, and we were so lucky there was a LARS, what do you call them? Land and Rescue. What is it? SARS. Oh, I know. Search and Rescue person camping here last night, and when I got up she said there's no way I should be going up Rintle, and really there's not an option. When she saw me walking yesterday, there wasn't really an option of leaving either, so we've done what we hoped we'd never have to do, as we've got no cell phone range here, and we've had to call in a rescue chopper.
It's unsafe to go on the tops,
and it's pretty unsafe today to go anywhere. As you can see, you can't even see the tops. So that little beauty and Track Me have been amazing. I've been in contact with Track Me, and they've got the ball rolling, so we're just not sure when they're coming, whether it's fine enough for them to come today or tomorrow, but we're hurriedly just sorting out our gear so that I can leave the trail, and I'm absolutely heartbroken. So anyhow, it's happened to a lot of us. I know a few others that have had to do this, and it's just absolutely heartbreaking. Anyhow.